Hey guys, so I got something, it'll be different. So my nephew is about to be here, my nephew Tyler. I've spoken about him on some videos. He's the one that owns the Ford Lightning that we did the engine in. He's about to be here and I told him I'm going to make a video with him. He hasn't a clue. He's not into model cars or anything like that. I mean, he likes, you know, stuff like this, I guess, but just not into it. Tyler's probably 20, I think he's 28. I'm going to have him pick one of these, the most intriguing one to him. We're going to open it up and check it out. He has no clue. He's about to be here. So anyway, that's what this is about. See you in a second. Alright, here he is. He has not a clue. I knew he was going to do that. He's got this ridiculous siren and PA on his truck. It came with it when he bought it, so he didn't put it on there. About time you got here. Yes. So this is Tyler. See him better in a minute. The one that's got the Ford Lightning that's about to rot in half. Do I? Other side. All right, come on. All right, so what's your name again, for the record?
You're my uncle, you know this? Tyler.
So your name is You're My Uncle? So this is Tyler. This is Heather's sister's son. So he's not technically my nephew, but he is by marriage. But anyway, Tyler's kind of like our son. And anyway, yeah, he's the one that's got the, you like the camera being in your face? Been working all day? He's an air conditioning guy. Been doing running service all day, huh? What'd you do today?
Changed the motor out.
Condenser or evaporator?
Blower motor. Installed some carbon monoxide detectors. Caught a few calls. And then my last one wasn't able to do anything because the ductboard between the package unit and their house was destroyed. So the unit has been sucking in leaves and dirt and completely blocked up their whole evaporator slab on their package unit. So I have to go back tomorrow and rebuild a transition between the house and the unit. And
that sounds like fun.
Clean the coil.
So we're both AC guys. But anyway, all right, so you don't have a clue what we're about to do, right?
Not a clue.
Not a clue. How old are you, 28?
Might be 29 October.
October the 10th.
Yeah.
See, I know his birthday. So, yeah, so anyway, he's the one that's got the cool Ford Lightning that's sitting. I did try to crank it the other day, but it's out of gas again. I guess the gas evaporates out of the tank. It was almost empty anyway. But it did. I turned it over at least. All right.
Still have that tank of
yeah,
that jug of
that octane booster. Yeah. So we bought when he did this. I think the compression's just a tick high for the for gas. But anyway, we he's bought this octane booster stuff, and it's basically what whole I don't know, half a tank. It's basically just burned it sitting right here idling.
Wasted $60, $70.
Anyway, it's a cool truck. Maybe he'll do something with it one day. At least park it under something.
Hey, I'd be driving right now if I didn't get talked into, hey, let's do this.
Yeah. It's my fault. All right, so what we're going to do, Tyler. You've ever built a model kit before?
Long time ago.
What was it?
I couldn't even tell you.
You don't remember? Okay. Anyway.
I remember Dad had the General Lee.
He still got it.
It's probably like halfway put together.
I know he's still got one, and he's got some big rig stuff. He don't ever build anything though. I told him bring it over here sometime, build it. He don't do that. Anyway, so Tyler's not a model guy. He likes cars and stuff, but stays busy with life. Got 2 little kids. Got a wife. Got chickens.
12 or 11.
11. You still building chicken pens and all that stuff, or you got it all done? I mean,
that's all done.
Fencing and all that stuff. Okay, so he's a hobby farmer. You got no goats yet?
No.
I thought you were gonna get some goats.
She wants goats. I don't know.
She wants goats.
She says that she's gonna milk them and everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's discipline right there.
Time for that.
Yeah. All right. What we're gonna do? I want you to look through all these. You ain't got to build it. But look through all these, and which one do you find the coolest? And we're going to open it up and look at the stuff. So, and they're down behind you. They're down here. Oh, by the way, I sold my Volkswagens, so there are no engines down here now. So there's a whole bunch of them up under here. But yeah, so I'm gonna let him look and see what he thinks is cool.
There's a Nova 2. Ain't a Nova 2, it just says
Chevy
Nova.
2, yeah. That's what they call them, Chevy 2. I guess, I don't know, you guys in the comments, is a Nova? I mean, this is a, I know it's the 66. Is that, was it called a Chevy 2 or is that just a nickname? I don't know.
There's a 69 Nova.
69 Nova.
Tim had. He had a black one.
Did he? Tim's his father-in-law.
He
Who he works for.
Nova is the, he wished he never got rid of it. He kicks himself in the tail.
Everybody that gets rid of their hot rods regrets it. I'm just curious to see what he picks out to look at.
Well, I like, you know, the Charger, the Daytonas. I like the Roadrunners. Pretty much Mopar.
Hey, look at there.
Mustangs.
Look at there, Tyler. Maybe yours look like that one day.
Yeah. No, whenever I'm finished with it, it's going to be a different color.
It's not going to be black?
No.
You're going to do silver or something like that?
I want to do Sonic Blue.
Sonic Blue Lightning.
What's it? Will your camera pick up pictures good?
Probably.
Quality?
I don't know. My viewers would probably say, heck no, because it's always out of focus. I can't even tell if it's focused right now. Hold on, let me put my glass. Alright, so he wants to paint his Lightning Sonic Blue. Oh no, that does look good. Holy cow. I mean, yeah, that is cool. Wow. Oh man. That does look way better than the black.
Yeah, than that bucket that's out
Just-
there right now.
Just think, Tyler, maybe one day.
But that's one day what I want it to end up like.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm rich and have money and can just have somebody fix it.
Yeah. Well, me too, right?
Man. Hard choice.
Now, see, I'm always gravitated to like this kind of stuff, like the old. That's the
Are you
stuff.
really?
Yeah. Like I just built this one recently. That's my favorite, car ever is a Model A.
Well, I was looking at a few of the old ones over here.
Yeah.
I was looking at
Yeah, that's cool as heck.
Richard Petty.
Those are like super sought after too, Johan model kits, especially that one. He don't know. You gotta pick one. Hard.
You got too many, and you got stuff that's underneath, and stuff over here.
Yeah, I know. That's like 3 deep too. Yeah, there's. But we ain't going 3 deep.
Oh, yeah. Hot Wheel. 93 Ford Ranger.
Yeah, that's cool. I thought I had 2 of those Rangers. Is that a red one?
What if I pulled out something you never do?
Well, that's fine.
Like a tank or a plane.
Yeah, there's a couple of tanks and planes over here. How about the Titanic?
Oh, yeah, I didn't even see
the
that.
Titanic. There you go.
Oh, that is old shit.
Yeah, that's a wooden ship that you have to like carve it out and sand it and everything.
Motorcycle, dump truck, semi.
Now he's just gonna name everything that he sees.
Well,
Heather
you
got
normally do cars.
Heather got me that one from Maine. She went up to see Leary. That she brought it back with her.
Do you not have it?
Yeah, I have a couple of them. See, there's one right there.
Yep. Dragula. Don't you have the Monsters car?
No, I don't. Heather wanted to try and build that, but I've heard it was terrible to build. I do got, the Dragula. You saw that. That's Monsters.
That would be pretty cool to build.
Yeah, the Foose. I built one before. Those are nice as heck.
Sprint cars. Actually, just saw the other day going down 82. I think it was last weekend. They were taking sprint.
They're not sprint cars. They're like. So, let me ask you guys. This track, we got a local track, Golden Isle Speedway, which is a dirt track. They have big races there too, but they've got these cars. They look like they've got the old 30s model bodies on them. They're open wheel, and they've got like, it looks like a sprint car wing on the top. I don't have a clue what that class is, but anyway, maybe you guys know. You gonna choose something, or am I gonna choose it for you?
You got a Roadrunner?
Road Runner.
Have I not seen a Roadrunner yet?
I have a Road Runner. Surely I do. There's a Plymouth GTX. There's a, what's the one above
69 Dodge.
69
440.
Dodge. Isn't that a Road Runner up there? Isn't a GTX? GTX is a Road Runner. It's just a different package. So like, see, this is a GTX, but it's a Road Runner. It's a GTX was like a more, I don't know, I'll fix to get corrected in the comments, but it's more of a either a fancy package or more of a sporty package or something like that.
Yeah, they'll lie into you. How could you say that? That's not right.
I've learned a lot on these comments. All right.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Oh, you see
I
one?
already found it.
Okay. You can stand in that chair if you need to.
All right, cool. Can I pull it down? Oh, break the chair.
Oh, he sees it, he said. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's cool. That, you know how old that thing is? The actual kit?
I'm pretty old.
Yeah, take a guess.
Let's see, where's the date at?
It don't have a date on it.
30 years old? 35?
So, like a year. Give me a year, what you think.
Let's see, 19, well heck, I said 30 or 35, that's 90s, so.
I know, that's
I'm
crazy.
gonna say like 1969, 70.
Hey, you're pretty close. It's probably, we may can tell about it. I hadn't looked at it. There's a website you can look at dates, but it's probably somewhere for about 1966 to 1970. Yeah, this is cool. All right, so I'm gonna just put the camera on tripod. We're gonna open it up. All right, so you're using my phone. This is so frustrating.
Take 4.
Take 4. We had a great 20-minute look at this kit. Did I say I'm using my phone already? Because my camera, I think my camera's crashed. And you guys are probably saying, yes, finally. But we went through, Tyler looked at all this stuff, all the parts. We talked about it, had some great conversation, and just looked at everything. And I said, you know what, let me power, or change the video, turn it off, turn it back on so it won't crash. And it crashed. So I said, dang, I was so frustrated. That was like 20 minutes lost. And then we tried it again, just short condensed version, and guess what? Same thing. And anyway, Tyler, like I say, this is a cool kit for him to pick that out of all these. You know, he picked that one, and I was shocked.
I've always been fascinated with the Ford GT. It's, you know, mid-engine car. It was the first car to go into the Le Mans. First Ford, I think it was the first American car, because everything else was Ferrari and what was it? McLaren wasn't made then, was it?
I don't know when McLaren got started. Have no idea.
I know the biggest thing was, you know, Ferrari. So
yeah, because that movie's called what, Ford versus Ferrari.
Yeah.
And
but I've always been fascinated with the Ford GT. It's an awesome car.
Didn't it win that year too?
Yep.
It did it blow them away, or just
second and third?
Oh, there were more than one racing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I went through and read about the darn car and everything on there. I'm not even going to do that again. But yeah, anyway, got time to spend with Tyler out here, and took him off guard a little bit. He didn't know what he was coming to. He actually come here for something else, but I said, I want to make a video while you're here. But yeah, went through everything. Cool car. Talked about his truck. You missed all that. We're not going to do it again. But I thought, right before the video crashed for the third time, I said the most fun part of the video was him just, you know, picking it out. So I thought that was cool, because I had no clue what he might pick.
Well, when you got over 20,000 different models in here, it's kind of hard to choose.
Yeah, but it's cool to see that was the one. You know, it's like, okay, so you had kind of you knew something about that car. It's not
it's just a really cool car.
Yeah, it's not like a Camaro Z28 1982 model or whatever, or something like that. It was the Ford GT, and it's cool that it's the IMC. And yeah, we talked about all kind of cool stuff. Hey, we got the memory, or at least I got it for short term. My memory's getting bad, seems like. But it was fun. But anyway, I said, as always, as I was closing a while ago, I said, don't forget to go check out hobbynutmodels.com for all your hobby needs, as well as my website. Oh, he showed these.
Or if you need anything printed.
Yeah, he showed these a while ago, and I've never even put them. They've been laying here on my desk. I printed these. These are like 5-lug, 15-inch wheels. With
Dynapro MT tires.
Dynapro MT. And I've got several different variations of wheels and all, but the same scale. And I've never offered them. Then I was like, hey, check out all these engines and stuff like that. And Pro Charged Hemi. And
Twin turbo
572 with the intercooler. And a vintage Hemi. It's kind of cool with this camera. I mean, this phone, it doesn't have to focus, and everybody's gonna be like, we've been telling you that for years. Anyway, all right, so hey, cool. Thanks, Tyler, for coming do that. Checking out the Ford GT IMC, and I guess it was I looked up the year. I think that crashed on the first part.
65.
65 is when it came out. It could be a couple years newer, but it's at least
I was close. I said 1966, 1970. Just off by a year.
yeah. So he was close when he said what year he thought it was. But anyway. All right, Tyler. Thanks for coming.
See y'all.
He's an AC guy. If you ever need any air conditioning work and you live in South Georgia, call Hudson Heat
I'm
and
not an
Air.
AC guy.
I am too. I changed a compressor today. Did a compressor and a wall hung barred unit.
How much gas did it take?
Takes 12 pounds.
Was you able to recover it?
I try to recover every bit, and I filter it and put it back in. See if I can switch this around here. Backside camera's probably. Oh Lord, I got my glasses on. Heather's gonna kill me. But yeah, that was fun. Man, I look red. Look how red I look.
Well, it's hot in here.
It is hot in here.
Air off.
It's hot in here. I run the air, but when we're doing a video or something, I'll turn it off. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Hobby Nut Models, mcvproducts.net. Thanks to my Patreon guys. Man, my hand's shaking. And thanks to Tyler for coming and doing this. And we'll see you later.
See ya.